How you doing, guys? We're gonna show you how to replace dumb lights on a 2014 BMW X3. I decided to make this video because there is nobody out there with a video like this. So you have this kind of bulb, dumb lights, very easy to do. Just gotta pull out, try to get this cover off, centerpiece. See, just gotta find your way, get in, and it's out. Once you get in here, get a light. You need to see real good. Inside is like a L shape. Let me see if I can put the light over here. See this L shape right here? Okay, you got two, one on each side. There's gonna be a metal clip in it. That's what you gotta try to apply it up. Let me put the camera away. Okay, you just gotta try to pull out right there. Pull it at the same time. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Hope you can see it. Gotta apply it right there. At the same time, you have to push one side out. Now you gotta find the other metal clip in here. And it's out. Very easy. Once you got it out, you got the bulbs behind it right here. You just take it out. Bulbs out. You got all three bulbs. You can replace it with any LEDs. Let me know if they help you out with this video, guys. I couldn't find anything out there. That's what we decided to do. This is GNV. We specialize on HIDs, LEDs. Any comments, let us know. Call us anytime. We are doing all LEDs on this X3. We did the signals, we did the fog lights, we did the interiors, we did everything. Anything else, let us know. Give us a call, 908-385-7192. Thank you.